This is day 12 of turning this piece of steel into a sword just using a hammer. Since it's day 12, I only get to hit this 12 times. We're also doing an additional hit for each new follower we get on Instagram. Yesterday we got 46 new followers, so we're gonna hit this an extra 46 times. So be sure to follow if you wanna see me do this some more. And Rylan mentioned that we should hit an additional amount for every new comment that we get. And on this last video, we got 9 comments, so just for fun, we're gonna hit it an extra 9 times. Be sure to follow if you wanna see me hit this some more.